The career choice that I have chosen is a pediatric surgeon. Today I'm going to inform everyone on my career choice as a pediatric surgeon, as well as my future goals and aspirations. A job in the medical field is a surgeon. A special surgeon is a pediatric surgeon who performs procedures on only children. The quote that I've chosen is, "You're in a professional's hands, so don't worry about it. Keep patience and everything will be fine." I took a personality quiz, and the quiz told me that I am a counsel. This means that I am opening to specifically friends, loved ones, and neighbors. But specifically, I'm opening my heart to people that I love. The job that I would love to have. My desired job in life would be to become a pediatric surgeon. I would love to become anything in the medical field, but a job that I would always love to be is a pediatric surgeon. What is a pediatric surgeon? They are surgeons that operate on children from newborn to teenagers that have injuries, illnesses, and diseases that all require surgery. Why would I like to become a pediatric surgeon? I am interested in saving lives and treating patients. Learning about the human body and treatments all interest me, so I think this is a good job for me. On average, a pediatric surgeon will earn about $482K per year, and an average salary would be from $389K to $603K per year. The licensings to become this is that you have to be certified in ABS for general surgery. The timeline with schooling to become a pediatric surgeon is, first you have to graduate your senior year of high school. Next, you need to complete grad school and get a science field degree, which is about 4 years. Next, you have to take and pass the medical college admissions test. Then you have to apply and enroll in medical school. After that, you have to take 5 years and earn your degree in medicine, and then 2 years of general training in surgery. And then after, you have to do 6 years of specialty training in a hospital to become a pediatric surgeon. A typical day at work is that you have to perform 5 to 10 surgeries, and that's just on average. Sometimes there could be more or less depending on the difficulty of the work being done. Most surgeons operate 2 days a week, and the rest are on call or with patients, but just operating is around 2 days. And most of them see 50 patients at most, but 30 on the least, but they could be talking on the phone or in person about procedures and consults that are going to be happening to patients. In about 10 years, the future of surgeons is going to be definitely different. Development in laparoscopic and endoscopic surgery is going to be different, and there's going to have less diagnostic and therapeutics procedures being done. Robot-assisted surgery to take on more and more procedures. So this basically means that the human use of surgeons is going to die down, and robots are going to be more included in surgeries. The strengths of me becoming a pediatric surgeon is that I'm confident, I have patience, I'm perseverance, and good motor skills I have, teamwork as well. Weaknesses is that I do not want to go to school that long. I would not like to go in major debt because it is a lot of money. I can improve my strengths by having more patience and better motor skills, and I can reinforce my strengths by having confidence and continue to have good team skills. In high school, last year as a freshman, I took Principles of Biomedical Science. I was online last year, but it is heavy in labs and dissections and about biomedical field and just the intro to the medical field. The second class is Human Body Systems, and this is what I'm taking currently. It is a lot of dissections about the human body and notes about body systems. Next year, I plan on taking medical interventions and medical terminology senior year, and I hope they're fun classes for this medical field. My goals are that I would like to attend college and get my associate's degree, and I continue attending college to get my bachelor's degree. I would like to get accepted into medical school as well. Conclusion: therefore, I explain my desired career choice as a pediatric surgeon, and also my future goals and aspirations. Pediatric surgeon is a job that I would love to have. I would love to finish high school, college, and medical school as I'm getting older.